Hello and welcome to the Surface 11 Search Box tutorial series, made especially for interior designers and architects like you to access the world's finest award-winning materials and surfaces. This is tutorial 6, How to Send an Inquiry. At this point, you have selected products to explore and would like a quotation for your project. Let's say you'd like to inquire about this particular product in the shape and size we've selected. You can do so simply by clicking on Add to Query Cart. The cart page lists all the products you've chosen in sequential order and allows you to contact the Surface 11 office in Dubai for a quotation. If you'd like to add additional products from your most recent search results, click Discover More. Make your product selections. And add to query cart. You have now shortlisted an additional product to your query cart. If you'd like to add new products that are not in your original search results, click the icon in the top right to edit your search. Let's get back to the cart. If you click and scroll through this arrow here, you can select your preferred measurement. Let's say you'd like to inquire about 1,000 pieces of this product. Enter the information here. Make sure that you get the notification that your cart has been updated. If you are not sure of these quantities, you may leave these fields blank. If you change your mind about a product, you can click on X to eliminate the item. Clicking on Empty Cart will delete all the items. When you click on Inquire Now, you need to send in your contact information and send us a message. Our office will be notified of the items in your query cart and we will respond via email. That's it for tutorial 6, How to Send an Inquiry. And there you have it. Surface 11 welcomes you to our home on the web. Our goal is to help you design with absolute freedom. Visit surface11.com and let the perfect surfaces find their way to you.